Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is your name, and I'm here to help you take control of your finances and start your investing journey. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by debt and wondered how you can start investing even with limited money, then this video is for you. Why paying off debt comes first. Before we even talk about investing, we need to talk about something crucial: debt. Many people think they can invest while still carrying high-interest debt. But here's the hard truth: debt is like a hole that keeps getting deeper. High-interest debts, like credit cards, can have interest rates of 20% or more. No investment can guarantee returns that high consistently. Paying off your debt is like getting a guaranteed return on your money. Think about it. If you have a credit card with a 25% interest rate and you pay it off, you've effectively earned a 25% return without even investing. That's why tackling debt first is the smartest move. How to pay off your debt fast. Now, let's break down exactly how you can pay off your debt step by step. List all your debts. Write down all the money you owe, the interest rates, and the minimum payments. Choose your payoff strategy. The debt snowball method. Start by paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins and motivation. The debt avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest debts first to save the most money in the long run. Cut unnecessary expenses. Find areas where you can save money, like subscriptions you don't use or eating out less. Increase your income. Can you start a side hustle? Sell things you don't need. Even an extra $100 a month can make a big difference. Stay consistent and motivated. Reward yourself for small milestones and don't give up. When to start investing? Once your high-interest debt is gone, you can finally start investing. Here's how. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small with investing. Even $50 a month can grow over time. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Consider a 401k or Roth IRA for long-term growth. Invest in low-cost